So we are dealing with problem 2.20 in Erudov solving series, and the problem is stating a horizontal cylinder closed from one end is rotated with a constant angular velocity omega about a vertical axis passing through the open end of the cylinder. The outside air pressure is equal to P naught, the temperature T, and the molar mass of the air is capital M. Find the air pressure as a function of the distance r from the rotation axis. The molar mass is assumed to be independent of r. So let us begin this problem by first of all drawing a diagrammatic situation. So we can consider the diagrammatic aspect of the problem like this. So this is the open end which the problem is referring to, where the pressure is equal to P naught and temperature is T, and this is the closed end, and the entire tube is of cross section area A, and this is held horizontally and rotated with angular velocity omega. तो अगर अपने x डिस्टेंस पे एक पैच अगर सेलेक्ट कर लेते हैं, सो दिस पैच विच वी हैव सेलेक्टेड इज हैविंग ए वॉल्यूम dv equals a dx, and if we consider density as rho, then we can write dm, or the mass of the gas enclosed in it, is equal to rho a dx. So this is the mass of the gas which is enclosed in this region between x and x plus dx. So if we calculate the net force on the elemental patch, the net force on the elemental mass, so the net force on the elemental mass is P plus dP times A minus P into A, and then we obtain a value dP times A. And then this net force is equal to m omega square r. M in this case is dm omega square r. R is equal to x. So if we substitute the value of dm, then dm can be written as rho a omega square x dx is equal to dp times a. So area we can cancel out, and now we have an equation like this. So now we substitute density from the ideal gas expression. That density can be written as Pm by RT. So density can be replaced as Pm by RT, and if we replace this density term, density is equal to Pm by RT, then we get the equation as Pm by RT omega square x dx is equal to dP, and therefore we get the expression m omega square by RT x dx is equal to dP by P. And now we are integrating both sides. So we have taken out m omega square by RT outside the integration, and we are integrating from open end where x equal to 0, pressure equal to P naught, to the end at a distance r where pressure is equal to P, and on solving we get an expression m omega square r square by 2 RT is equal to ln P by P naught, and therefore we get the equation P is equal to P naught e to the power m omega square r square by 2 RT. So this is the final answer for this particular problem which we have. So we can say that the pressure is rising exponentially from free end to the closed end. So this is how we solve the problem number 2.20.